What is this battle making of you? Maraming nagsasabi, God gives the toughest battles to His strongest warriors. Pero the Bible reveals a deeper truth. Hindi naghahanap ang Diyos ng pinakamalakas. He forms the strongest by walking with ordinary people through difficult seasons. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9 says, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness." God's power is not displayed when we feel capable. Ito ay nahayag kapag sinasabi natin, "Lord, hindi ko na kaya mag-isa." David didn't face Goliath because he was strong. He faced Goliath because God was with him. Ang laban ay hindi nagpapakita ng lakas ni David. Ipinakita nito ang katapatan ng Diyos. Si Gideon ay hindi matapang. Nagtatago siya sa takot nung tawagin siya ng Diyos na mighty warrior. Hindi sinabi ng Diyos kung sino siya noon. God declared kung sino siya magiging sa plano niya. Si Peter ay hindi perpekto. 3 beses niyang tinanggi si Jesus. Pero binalik siya na sa biyaya at pinagkatiwalaan muli. Ang pagkabigo ay hindi katapusan. Grace brings restoration. So God does not assign pain to test your limits. He allows pressure to teach dependence on Him. Kaya huwag mong sabihin, God gave me this battle because I'm strong. Sabihin mo ito, God is making me strong because I'm leaning to trust Him. So are you trying to survive your battle in your own strength or surrendering it so God's strength can be revealed through you? At kapag nalampasan mo ang panahong ito, hindi mo sasabihin, buti na lang nakaligtas ako. Sasabihin mo, thank you Lord for what you have done in my life.